I'm going to give an introduction about our system. The online zoo ticketing project we are working on is about the entrance booking system and the ticketing process itself. The name of our company is Zoofari, and we will show how to use this system to buy entrance ticket for the zoo. The price of this ticket depends on whether the visitor is a children, student, adult, or senior citizen. The entrance ticket will be reasonable price, including discount if they are applicable. Our zoo also provide direct entry ticket for an additional fee. The system will display an effective and easier way to buy tickets to our zoo. Firstly, the user must enter some information that system asks, such as name, email, and age. The system will calculate each price for a person that the user input, then the total of the entrance ticket purchase included the discount given. The output will show the total of the ticket price and name of the user, phone number, user email, date, and number of visitor. The ticket initially and payment instruction will be sent to the user email address. So next, I'm going to explain about our flowchart. Firstly is in input choice. The program enters a while loop and displays the main menu with various options. The user is prompted to enter their choice, which is stored in the choice variable. Next is register customer. If the user select option 1 for customer registration, the program prompts the user to enter their personal information, such as name, IC, phone, email, and date. The user is then asked if they want to proceed or quit. Next is the ticket purchase. If the user select option 2 for a ticket purchase, the program asks the user to enter the number of people they want to purchase ticket for and their age. Based on their age, the program calculates the ticket price for each person and display the total ticket price. Next is the express ticket. If the user select option 3 for an express ticket, the program asks if they want to exchange to an express ticket. If yes, the program adds an additional fee charged to their total price ticket. Next is the receipt. If the user select option 4 for the receipt, the program displays the receipt with customer information and the total payment. Next, exit. If the user select option 5 to exit, the program asks if they want to quit. If yes, the program terminates. If no, the program goes back to the main menu. Next is invalid choice. If the user enter an invalid choice other than 1 to 5, the program displays an error message and goes back to the main menu. Next is continue or exit loop. After each action, such as register or purchase, the program asks if the user want to proceed or quit. If they want to proceed, the program clear the screen using system CLS and continue the loop to display the main menu again. Last is the end. The program ends when the user decides to quit. So next, I'm going to explain the problem that we encountered while doing the system. The first problem is uninitialized variable. The variable choice is not initialized before being used in the while loop condition. It can lead to undefined behavior. It's better to initialize it to a default value like 0 before the loop. Second, multiple cin ignore calls. The code use cin ignore multiple times, which can lead to unexpected behavior instead of calling multiple times. You can call it once before reading the name input. Next, incorrect calculation of amount. In the express ticket section, the variable sum is used to calculate the amount, but the sum is not initialized before this point. It's better to initialize sum to 0 before the loop, where the tickets are being calculated. Next, incorrect loop in receipt section. The loop for getting receipt input should be inside the loop for calculating the ticket price, not outside of it. Next is incorrect check for choice 5. The code used is unnecessary block with braces when checking for choice 5. The correct format should be as in the slide. Next is unused variable. The variable and price are declared but not used in the express ticket. you can remove the declaration of this variable to avoid the confusion. Next is the wrong amount of calculation in the express ticket. The amount should be calculated based on the update value of sum after the ticket price are calculated.
So we have used C++ as to create our system for booking the entrance tickets to the zoo ferry. For this system, we use hashtag include iOS stream, hashtag include stdlibrary.h, and hashtag include string.h. Then for the variable declaration, we use integer, age with size 200, choice and member, double, price with size 200, sum amount and normal that equal to 14. Char, proceed, express, quick, string, name, email, date, IC, and phone. And the condition is y not equal to -1. As we can see, for this system, we display welcome to Zufari, and customer also can see the menu that include of customer registration, ticket purchase, direct entry ticket, receipt, and exit. And if choice 1, so the customer will proceed with customer registration, where we need their name, IC number, phone number, email, and date. Then if the user proceed with yes, then the system close and back to the menu again. And if no, it will display thank you for purchasing. If choice 2, the customer will proceed with how many people that want to purchase and enter the age of customers that want to purchase the tickets, where normal price is for adult, 20% discount for the under 8 years old, 40% discount for student, and last is senior citizen with 16 and above. And after click and enter, the system will display the ticket price and also calculate the price that have a discount for customers and also including the sum of the ticket purchases. And if the customer want to proceed next with yes, so the system close and it's continue with if choice 3. If choice 3, the customer can exchange the ticket to directly enter tickets, where the system will calculate the charge for direct entry that 5 per person and also display the new total for the ticket purchase, while if proceed with no, so it will display thank you for purchasing. And else if no, the system will display the normal sum of the tickets that the first customer had purchased. And if proceed again with yes, so the system close, and if else if no, system will display thank you for purchasing. And if the customer proceed with if choice 4, the system will display the receipt of the ticket purchases, where including all the customer details and also the ticket price. And last, if choice 5, where the exit of the system, if yes, the system will display thank you for purchasing, and else if no, system close and back to the menu again. And now let me see the demonstration of the system. At first, key in the customer registration, all the customer details, then number of people want to purchase and age. The system will display all the price with the calculation. If want to exchange to directly ticket, so proceed with menu 3, and last, get the receipt details. Then exit if you don't want to proceed.
First of all, we will explore the key code structure used in a ticket purchasing system. The code begins with hashtag include statement importing essential libraries such as iOS stream, CST, lib, and string, which are required for input and output string handling functionalities. At the heart of the program lies the main bracket function, acting as the entry point where the main logic of the ticket purchasing system is implemented. Here, various functionalities and user interaction are orchestrated. To manage data efficiently, the program utilizes arrays specifically to store age and ticket price information for multiple people. This allows for easy access and manipulation of data during ticket purchase. As the user interacts in the program, several variables are declared to capture the user input and perform various calculations. These variables enable the system to process customer information and ticket pricing effectively. To enable continuous interaction with the users, the program contains while loop that persists until the user chooses to exit by entering -1. This ensures the user can perform multiple transactions or explore different options before leaving the application. In summary, the code structure discussed form the foundation of a ticket purchasing system, allowing for library inclusion, data storage, user erase, user input handling through variables, and seamless interaction through a while loop until the user decides to exit the application. In this presentation, we will delve into control structure implemented in a ticket purchasing system. Enhance its functionality and user experience. The code utilizes if-else statement to determine the user's choice and execute specific actions accordingly. Users are represented with a range of options including customer registration, ticket purchase, express ticket exchange, receipt, display, and application easy. This conditional statement enables seamless navigation and interaction with the system. To streamline the ticket purchase process for multiple individuals, a for loop is implemented. This loop efficiently gathers age information for each person during ticket purchase and calculates the ticket price based on their respective age groups. This simplifies the task of handling multiple transactions and ensure accurate pricing based on age-based discount or rates. In summary, the control structure employed in this ticket purchasing system, such as if-else statement and for loops, enable versatile functionality and smooth user interactions. By employing this structure, the application can handle various scenarios, making the ticket purchasing process efficient and user-friendly. Lastly, we will explore the diverse features offered by a straightforward yet effective ticket purchasing system. First, customer registration. The application empowers customers to conveniently register their personal information, including their name, IC number, phone number, email, and date of registration. Second is ticket purchase. Users have the flexibility to purchase tickets for multiple individuals. Third is express ticket. For those seeking a faster experience, the system allows users to upgrade their regular tickets to express tickets. Fourth is receipt generation. Upon completing the transaction, the program generates detailed receipts. And lastly, fifth, exiting the application. To ensure a smooth user experience, the program allows customers to easily exit the application when they have complete their transaction.